Hi everyone, what's up? So in this video, I'll be teaching you how to do a straight punch. Now there are various ways of doing straight punches. There are different types of martial arts. Different martial arts have different ways of doing straight punches. So say for example, if we talk about boxing, they keep their hands in guard and from here they apply straight punches. If we consider about different other martial arts like karate or kung fu, so they start their punches from vest or chest depending on their system. Now, I always prefer to teach my student punches from the boxing stance, that is the guard. The reason is whenever you are in a fight, if your hands are over here covering your face, there are less chances to get knocked out. If your hands are over here, if you are applying punches, for example, in karate or any, I'm not demotivating any art, but if you're doing punches from vest level, when you take your hand over here, your face is exposed. So for that purpose, I always advise my students to do punches from your fighting stance, that is your guard, okay, hands in guard, like boxing. Now in boxing, when we are in the guard, the hands are protecting my face, my elbows are protecting my ribs and chest areas, okay. So whenever we start the punches, first I will let you know how to stand, how should it be our stance. So at the beginner level, what I suggest is start from the parallel stance. So keep both the feet parallel to each other. Both the toes are pointing forward towards the opponent or towards the attacker or whatever your target is. The distance between both the feet should be shoulder width apart. Okay. From here, we'll bring our hands over here. The fists are in front of my face, elbows at the ribs level. Now remember, whenever we are making a fist, you need to curl your fingers like this first, then place your thumb over here in the side. Never keep your thumb outside like this or near the index finger or inside the fingers. So your first thing, curl the fingers, then place your thumb over here. Okay, so this is how you are going to make the fist. Now whenever you are applying the punches, you will be hitting the target with your knuckles, first two knuckles preferably. Okay, again different martial arts have different ways of hitting the target, like some hit with the first two knuckles, some hit with last three knuckles. Okay, so I prefer teaching my student to hit with first two knuckles. Okay, so from this stance, you're going to extend the hand towards the target and then bring it backward again. Remember, whenever I'm extending my hand, my elbow is going out, and then again when I'm coming back, my elbow is coming in, protecting my ribs again. Okay, I'll show you from side angle. So from here, I'm extending the hand forward and then coming back. Okay. This is how we are going to learn at the beginning stage. Showing in other direction, I extend my hand forward and then come back. Do this couple of times once you get the habit of it. Extend, come back. Initially you can do 10-20 times with right hand, 10-20 times with left hand. Same way, extend the hand and then come back. Okay. Now, punches can be done from different stances. There is a parallel stance, the one I've showed you now, when both the feet are shoulder width apart. Another is fighting stance. In fighting stance, you have to keep your one leg forward and backward. Like for example, if I'm keeping my left leg forward and right leg backward. If you're righty, you can get into this stance. Okay, left leg is forward, right leg is backward. Both the toes are pointing forward. My hands are in front of the face, elbows in front of the ribs. Okay, again, different arts have different ways of standing in fighting stance. In Krav Maga, we prefer keeping both the toes pointing forward. In boxing, kickboxing, they prefer keeping their toes pointing diagonal. Again, it's person to person, it's your choice. Okay, whatever you feel comfortable. Okay, so every person has their own choice. Shoulders can be a bit cross or facing forward to the attacker. Hands over here. Now, if you see, when I was in parallel stance, when both the feet were together, both the hands were here equally parallel to each other. Now, when I'm into fighting stance, my one hand is forward and one hand close to the face. Okay. If I am standing like this with right leg forward, then my right hand is forward and left hand is back. Okay. So now from this stance, what we call in boxing as orthodox stance, like righty people keep this stance. Okay. So from here, I'll be extending my left hand forward toward the nose and then coming back. Again, I'm bringing my elbows towards the ribs to protect the ribs. If I'm applying punch with the right hand, it will go like this forward and then come back. At beginning stage, you just need to project your hand forward and come back. Straighten your hand and come back. Once you get the confidence, you're not just going to extend the hands, but you're going to apply the punch with your whole body. So in that case, suppose I'm standing in a parallel stance from here at the beginning stage, I'll not just do this. Once you get the confidence of doing this, like of the punch, then rotate your shoulders, rotate your hips and rotate your feet. So from here, you're going to rotate your body and then come back. If I'm applying with right hand, rotate my right, I'll bring my right shoulder forward and then going back to the stance again. If I'm doing with the fighting stance, I keep my left leg forward, right leg backward. From here, I'm extending my left hand, rotating my shoulders, bringing left shoulder forward, right shoulder goes back, my hip, left side of the hip moves a bit forward, right side of the hip goes a bit backward. Again, I come back, I bring my shoulders together. If I'm into fighting stance, right leg forward, my right shoulder will move forward. Then coming back to the guard position again, to the normal position. Now, if I'm a righty, I'll be taking this stance, which is called as orthodox stance. So from here, now straight punch can be done with the left hand or with the right hand. When we apply punch with the left hand, we call it as jab. And when we are applying the punch with the right hand, we call it as cross. Okay. So this is jab and this is cross. Now, the most important thing is the target. The target can be the nose, chest, stomach. Now, when we are applying the punch on the target, we are hitting with the knuckles. So, I'll show you from side. From here, when I'm extending my hand, I'm applying the punch with the knuckles on the nose. So from here, it's going straight towards the nose, hitting with the knuckles, then coming back. Knuckles on the nose, and then come. Okay. So keep practicing this around 20 to 30 times or 50 times, as much as possible. So once you get the confidence, what you can focus is the rotation of the body. So whenever you're punching, it's most important you rotate your shoulders, hips and feet. Okay. This is what I'm doing for the jab, and for the cross, I'll rotate in the opposite direction. My right shoulder goes forward, right hip bone tilts forward, and right toes and hip is rotating. My foot is rotating forward. Okay. Now those who are lefty, they can keep their right leg forward and left leg backward. So the guard will be like this. The hands are protecting here. Now right hand is a bit forward and left hand is a bit close to the face. Now from here, they can apply the straight punch with the front hand, that is the right hand first, and then pull back. Then left hand and pull back. In both the cases, we are hitting on the nose. So here, this becomes the jab. As you pull back, when you are applying with other hand, this becomes your cross. Okay. So first, practice only with the single hand. Say for example, just jab. If you are practicing from your fighting stance, and then only cross. Okay, don't do with speed or power initially. Just focus on perfecting the punch. Understand the line of motion. The punch should go in a straight line. Okay, another important point is whenever you're punching, the punch should be going straight. See, if my hand, I'm hitting with my right hand and this is the target, it's going straight like this towards the target and then coming back. The punch should not go like this. So here, in that case, you're just brushing with your knuckles on the target. So it should not be like this. It should be going straight forward, penetrating inside and going forward. Straight like this, rather than doing this. Okay, got it? So this is how to do a straight punch. If you like my video, please click on the like button, subscribe and share with your friends.